Hello students, welcome to our next lecture. Today we will see the different terms which are involved in the agrochemicals. As in earlier lecture, we have seen the basic introductory part of agrochemicals. That is, what is meant by agrochemicals, what will be its advantages, disadvantages. Agrochemicals are the chemical substances which are used in agricultural industry, and these are specifically used for increasing the crop production, then for getting high variety of yield. In our India, due to increased population, there is a need of increased food, and these agrochemicals these are playing very important role in Indian economy. What are the different terms involved in agrochemicals? These are the pesticides, insecticide, herbicide, fungicide and rodenticide. We have to see all these terms in detail. First we will start with pesticide. This pesticide, it is derived from the Greek word pest, that is plague, and side means to kill. Pest is any living organism which is harmful, that is harmful organism that damages the crop, injures living thing or human beings also, and it reduces the fertility of land. With this pest, these are destroying the plant. And these pesticides, these are the chemical substances or a mixture of substances which are used for preventing, destroying, repelling or migrating any pest. That is called as a pesticides. Next we have to see the basic classification of pesticides. Pesticides are mainly divided into 10 different classes like insecticide, herbicide, fungicide, rodenticides, plant growth regulator, then nematocides, algicides, antiseptics, arboricides, bactericides. In this, we have to see the detailed classification of insecticide, herbicide, fungicide, rodenticide, and plant growth regulators. Then, what is meant by insecticide? This insect, that is in that is cut, and sect means that cut into sections. Insect means that cut into sections, and side means again to kill. Insect is any living organism or small air breathing organism which belongs to the class Insecta, having body divided into head, thorax, abdomen, having 3 pair of legs and 2 pair of wings. This is the basic, that is features of insect. And what is meant by insecticide? Chemical substances which are used for killing or destroying insects. These are called as insecticides. Next we have to see the classification of insecticides. These insecticides are mainly divided into, that is, 2 different classes according to first mode of action, and second is according to its chemical contents or chemical nature. In first, that is according to mode of action or utilization, there are 5 different types. First, stomach or internal, then contact or external. Fumigants. Fumigants means these are having certain smell. Example is naphthalene. Then attractant means these are, that is used for attracting the insects and then by destroying it. That is called as a attractant. Repellents. In our day-to-day life, we all are using mosquito coils. These are used for repelling the insect, and hence these are called as a repellent. These are the different examples of this particular type. Then second classification is according to chemical nature and source of supply. This classification is divided into 3 different types. First is inorganic insecticide, that contents are inorganic or constituent. This example is lead arsenate. Then second is naturally occurring insecticide. Means these are specifically produced from the plant origin, that is from naturally occurring substances. Example, nicotinoids. Then the third classification is organic insecticide. Means these are having the chemical constituents of organic compounds like DDT, BSE. This DDT, that is dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane, and BSE is nothing but benzene hexachloride. Means these are having the chemical constituent of organic compound. Hence it is called as a organic insecticides. Next we have to see herbicide. This herb is nothing but small plants, and again side is nothing but to kill. Herb or weed, that is any unwanted and useless small plant which is growing vigorously along with main crop plant. And these weeds, these are competing with the crop plants for light and nutrients, and hence reduce the yield of crops by about 10 to 15%. And for increasing the yield of desired crop plant, these weeds has to be killed, and hence these herbicides are the chemical substances which are used for killing or destroying herbs or weeds. These herbicides are again having different classification. First classification is according to their mode of action, and these are divided into two types like selective herbicides and non-selective herbicides. Selective herbicides, these are used to kill the weeds only without damaging the crop. Means these are only used for killing the weeds and it doesn't destroy the crop plants. And these non-selective herbicides, it not only kills the weeds but also it kills the crop plants also. This is the classification according to mode of action. Then the second type of classification is according to their effect on weeds, that is according to their effect on herbs. And these are again of two types, that is systematic herbicide and contact herbicide. These systematic herbicides that kill the weeds along with vascular tissues. What is meant by vascular tissues? These plants, these are having two types of tissues like xylem and phloem, that is food conducting and water conducting tissues, and these are called as a vascular tissues of plants. And the systematic herbicide, it kills weeds as well as the xylem and phloem, that is it acts on entire plant. And for this type of herbicide, the complete coverage is not needed. The complete coverage means complete spray of herbicide is not needed. But in type of contact herbicide, these herbicides kills only the part of the plant which is in contact with chemical agent, and it does not acting on the entire plant. Means for this the complete spray is needed for killing the herbs, that is called as a complete coverage is needed. This is according to their effect on weed. Then what are the advantages of herbicides? These herbicides are very easy to use. Then this is applicable for full spectrum of weed control. Full spectrum means wide range of herbs can be easily controlled. Then these are environmentally safe. Then it protects our desired crop. Then it can also control larger weeds also. And the main important advantage is it is having less cost, that is it is a very cheap source. Next we have to see, that is these are the fungal diseases on plants, and these are destroying our crop plants. Then how we can minimize these fungal diseases? There are certain chemical substances which are used for the treatment of fungal diseases, and that is called as a fungicides. And this fungus is nothing but that is a living organism, that is a microorganism which cannot be easily seen by our naked eyes, and but these are all are destroying the crop plant. This classification of fungicide. This first classification is according to their effect on fungus. These are of two different types: systematic fungicide and contact fungicide. These two terms, systematic and contact, as we have earlier in this scene in herbicide. This systematic, that is, it get distributed throughout the plant as well as fungus. Means it not only affecting the fungus but also it affect the plant. And what this contact means, it only affect the part where that fungicide is sprayed, that it protect the plant from fungus where the spray is deposited and it is not taken up by the plant tissue. This is a very simple diagram from which you can easily see this contact fungicide, that is protectant fungicide, it only penetrating the fungus tissue but not it is involving in the plant tissue, that penetrate the fungus and not the plant tissue. And in this systematic fungicide, it penetrating plant tissue as well as the fungus cell, that is in the systematic fungicide. Then the second type of classification of fungicide according to their chemical nature and source of supply. These mainly divided into again two types: inorganic fungicide and organic fungicide, that according to its chemical constituent. If there are inorganic compounds, then called as inorganic fungicide. If its composition is of organic fungicide, then it is called as a organic. Then examples are copper oxychloride, that is example for inorganic fungicide, and benomel, that is for the organic fungicide. Next we have to see rodenticides. These rodents are nothing but that cut the things with their strong teeth, and side means to kill. These examples of rodents are, that is rat, mice, rabbits, that animals which cut the things with their strong front teeth. That front teeth are very helpful for cutting the things, and examples are rats, mice, rabbits, etc. And what are rodenticides? These are again the chemical substances which are used for killing or destroying rodents. These rodents are, that is destroying large amount of grains, that high or huge quantity of grains are eaten up, that is destroyed by the rodents, and hence it is very important to kill the rodents. This is that is an example of different agrochemicals or pesticides, herbicides, which is used in day-to-day life for increasing the crop production. This DDT, that is dichlorodiphene, trichloroethane, then endosulfan, then diazanone, that is organophosphate, carbamate, then pyrethroids. These all are the examples of pesticides, insecticides. We have to see in detail about all these pesticides and its structure also. In next lecture, we will see about PGR, that is a plant growth regulator. Thank you all of you.